Welcome to my channel Easy School Math, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a cube using a A4 sheet. So I'm having an A4 sheet. So I'm going to make a cube. I'm going to fold this A4 sheet into two halves first. Okay. So when I fold this to A4 sheet into halves, you can see a small hinge over here. This is a flap or small hinge. So this is the main one of the clue of, to make the as a marking. So now if we see the hinges over here, now from this hinge part, now we are going to make a cube of side 6 centimeters. Now from this hinge, the left I'm going to take 3 centimeters, and from the right I'm going to take 3 centimeters, that is totally 6 centimeters. Okay, so from this hinge part I'm going to take left 3 centimeters, and after that 3 centimeters, so totally 6 centimeters. So in the middle it's 3, left side 3, right side 6. So now in the middle also I'm going to keep at a random place 3 and 6 over here, random places. Now anywhere we can keep it at random places 3 and 6. It's up to next I'm marking over here 3 6. We can do it. Now I'm going to join all the points. Now I've joined some of the all the points. I joined all the points over here. Now I'll join the bottom over here. So since in a cube all the sides are equal, so I'm going to take 6 centimeters. So 6 centimeters. Now 6 centimeters over here. So I've got the first side. I'll mark it over here. Next one, the second one, my markings. So I'll mark it, the second one, the second step, or the second face of the cube. Next one, which I'm marking, is the third face of the cube. Okay, third face. Next, we're going to mark the fourth face. Okay, so this will be 6 centimeters, and again 6 centimeters, and I'm going to join the lines 4 centimeters, and next is so next thing I'm going to draw the fifth and the sixth face over here. So I'm going to extend this one, extend these two lines. So each one is 6 centimeters. So mark it on 6 centimeters and marking one 6 centimeters over here. You should mark it carefully. Again, I'm going to extend this and extend these 2 points. Okay, so 6 centimeters and 6 centimeters. Six centimeters. Next, I'm going to join both the points. Now, this is the 5th face and 6th side face for the side. So I'm having 6-sided. In portrait mode, it will be looking like this. So after that, I'm going to cut all the sides. Now I have cut the cube shape over there. If you see, it will be in the shape of plus. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 I will cut over there. So I'm going to fold all these sides now. So just make a flaps, anything which is possible for you. Now take the sellotape, now stick it with it. Now we are going to stick with the sellotapes. That's it. Okay, so one side has been stuck. So moving on to the second side. So please make sure that all the sides has been properly stuck. So as I am sticking, please make sure that all the sides and all the edges has been properly stick with the glue. Just as I am doing. Please make sure that everything has been properly stick. So the cube which is you are doing in a paper has been now in a 3D form, which can be now ready. Okay, can you see everyone? I hope so you all enjoyed this one. If you like, please subscribe to my channel.